Oh, this you see here is a prototype of our big 21-inch cabinet. Oh yeah, I forgot. The airport is 10 minutes from here, Billund Airport. There is also located a very famous company, Lego Group. Yeah, this is some words, but they're true. And this is equipment from our summer house. This speaker, two pair of them stay in China. They only stay in China. We don't send them anywhere else. That was great on that time. This is exercise for me. I need it. And yeah, here is the place where people can sit and relax, hour after hour, day after day. We have the time, if they have the will. And here is some of our equipment. We have made extremely many things in the last 7 years. Extremely. Someone say I'm crazy. I don't know. But one thing is for sure. I don't make normal things. One simple. This one. The only one. This I specially made for me. This version is a 500 kilo stereo amplifier. 5 million microfry. That's something. And the capacity inside is not normal. Everything we use in this company is on the highest level. It had nothing to do with high-end. Because high-end, for me, is only a word they use for if something is expensive. It's nothing to do with the quality at all. This one here, that's quality. That's quality. The only one. Why? Because this name I found out about when I look about my wife. My beloved wife, Bitten. The only one. She takes care about all our guests when they're coming here. She's the designer of all this here. I'm only the crazy bastard that make it. And here we have some of our speakers. The Small Miracle, Revolution. It's a nice two-way speakers. Nice. This can cover a place that are more than 50 square meters. Here, in here, there are more than 5 meters to the ceiling and 70 square meters. It easily do their job perfectly. Okay, the base is not weak, but compared to this one, yeah, it's totally different. "21-inch woofers, made of ourselves, the big miracle. We are really proud about these speakers. And everyone can afford to get this one. The price is not sky high because it's only a speaker. It's not a house. So therefore, the most of the time I don't understand how they're pricing their equipment around in the world. Because it don't take a long time to make it. This is my turntable. This one I make not because I like, but because some customer only like something from me. He's a very famous one. If you think about the world level, and he have a lot of my equipment, and also this one. This turntable here have no acoustic feedback, 0. It's quietly like the grave. 30 kilo platter, double ceramic bearings, and all this stuff, and it run the next 70 years. Everything made in Denmark. And yeah, this logo. The cat is a window of my wife. She paid for, only we can use it all over the world. This is our new amplifier, stereo amplifier, the Revolution. It's a little bit funny when I make the only one. I think this is the highest level I can get. No. I make this here because I think now I'll make something that's unbelievable. And this one here is unbelievable. The speed is amazing.